Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today we have really exciting science video. Here we have a very special drinking glass. It's traveled through distance and time all the way from East Germany to here just to be crushed by our press. It's made by taking regular drinking glass and then placing it into potassium salt bath, which is over 400 degrees hot. And when you do that, some of the sodium ions on surface of the glass are being replaced by larger potassium ions. And that's going to generate pressure on the surface and tension on inside of the glass. So it's the same mechanism that makes Prince Rupert's drops so hard. But are these as strong as the drops? I don't think so. Are they stronger than regular glass? Probably, but how much stronger? Let's find out. And first, to calibrate our expectations, we are going to crush inferior capitalistic drinking glass to see like how bad they are. I want to go really slowly.
Yeah. Whoa!
That was quite eventful. 1.3 tons. So lot less than Superfest should do. It was quite dangerous, I have to say. Okay, and now we have the superior Superfest drinking glass. And to be honest, I have to say that the top part is the same thickness, but the bottom one is thinner on this one. So in case it doesn't beat the capitalistic drinking glass, I have my excuses ready. If it doesn't win, why they are named it Superfest? That would be like lying. How much, Hanna?
What was the last one?
1.3.
Okay, this is going to be 5.2.
I say 2.3.
Okay.
Okay, Superfest.
Here we go. Well, it was a disappointment.
That's not very good at all.
No.
It's 250 kilos.
Well, that's not even close with the Prince Rupert's drop.
Yeah, Rupert's drop is 60 tons.
Yeah.
That's a weak-ass drinking glass. It might also be that the natural enemy of the drinking glass is being dropped on the floor,
Yeah.
not being crushed by the press.
It might be.
But I have to say that it's not about the bottom being too thin, because it doesn't break at all.
Yeah, it goes from the middle.
We still might have chance of finding a perfect drinking glass.
For press.
For press. And therefore everything else. Because here I have product that was named Unbreakable drinking glass.
It's plastic.
If you order a beer on the restaurant and they give it on your beer on plastic glass, it means that you are too drunk and they don't trust you anymore.
Yeah, wasn't that made in Finland?
Yeah, that's made here.
What? Yeah. In Finland, they know hydraulic press channel.
I think I stop here, it's funny now.
Yeah. They have optimized the glass for hydraulic press. Yeah, you can still drink from that.
Yeah, that's like Finnish perkele design. Press proof. Actually, this was like a bit over 2 tons. We might have the absolutely toughest drinking glass in the Nordics, but it's not Finnish. It's from the Sweden.
I really would like to put some flowers to it. Should your flower fit here? Let's try. I bought Otto this super cute small plant. Not quite, but almost.
Okay, this is IKEA's Pokal drinking glass. These are tough. What the hell? Usually
Yeah, you have always, like all these years you have said, the Pokals are the most... What's the same?
What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
It didn't even try.
No.
Maybe they are made out of cardboard nowadays.
Maybe.
But those used to be like really strong. Okay, it was more, but it wasn't like good old days. It was like 3 tons. Because they used to leave like prints on the steel tools. They were that tough.
But then my pick.
It might be also that it's a skill issue. So Hanna can crush this.
Yeah.
That was like 700. Okay, so the drinking glasses were more exploded when I started this press thing. And one thing that has also been really disappointing since start are hockey pucks. Because the first one exploded and no other hockey puck since that has exploded. But now I found a good selection of different hockey pucks. This is made in Slovakia, Czechoslovakia. Actually, it's realized that they're probably
the same place.
they're probably the same place, different time. But we have lot of different. This says Vegum, this says official.
Yeah.
So we are going to now crush them all to see if anybody explodes. Okay, that was easy.
It was that one.
Now when I say that they don't explode,
Yeah.
everything is going to explode.
Yeah.
Let's throw another one. Yeah, that was just the same as the very first hockey puck on this channel.
Okay.
Finally. It might be because I said that they don't explode.
Yeah.
How about 2 at the one? Holy shit, it's terrible smoke.
Ew, don't speak there. Don't open your mouth.
Okay, that didn't explode. An official and made in Czechoslovakia. Check out this. I was so happy when I saw this. It used to be 30 euros, 15 euros on sale. That was the like a message for me to buy this. Here it goes. Big ass socket.
Oh.
No, it stopped there. I go flip it on its side
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
We made a special adapter.
Yeah.
It's from half an inch to nothing.
Oh.
I think that's enough. We had a small mishap with the camera. We didn't have it on at all the times on the press, but it happens here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you wanna see not hydraulic press but a press brake, what is that? Go check out our new Beyond the Press video. We visited sheet metal factory and they had a lot of press brakes there. It's our new factory tour video series.
Yeah.
We go see different factories. It's really good video.
Yeah, we like it.
Yeah, but that is all for today
Thank you for watching.
and have a nice day.